We're in the building. Flying live. Second live ever. Today we're gonna talk about why stress doesn't look good on you. We got people out here stressed out, looking crazy, allowing circumstances and situations to just diminish them of their power. So we're gonna talk about how to get your power back real quick. All right, shout out to Retro. So check it out. I was chilling with the homie Alex today, and he told me, he said, you know what, man? There's something I want to tell you, but I don't mean any disrespect. And I said, bro, there's no reason for you to ever filter your conversation. Like, if there's something that's on your heart, just go ahead and share that with me. So he told me, he said, stress doesn't look good on you, bro. Like, when I hear you talking about why I'm still here doing this and I'm not living up to my full potential and different things like that, that stress does not look good on you, because you are the opposite of that. You are the light. You are a gift. And when he told that to me, it really made me think, like, I really was stressing myself out. I was really in my head. Like, I didn't understand, at least I thought I understood, that nobody had to, like, I didn't have to feel the way that I was feeling. You feel me? I decided to feel that way. So let me ask you this. What are you allowing to stress you out? Is it your job? Is it your spouse? Is it your kids? Is it uh, you not going for your dreams? Is it you not, or assuming that you're not living up to your potential? Because he told me straight up, he said, you thinking that you're failing, and you thinking that you're not making a difference, bro. You're not here for no reason. You're really here for them. Like, I've been in this place for a certain amount of time, and I've noticed the change and the transition that's happened from your presence being here. And that just really blew my mind. That blew my perspective to another level. I'm over here feeling sorry for myself, uh, feeling like I'm not going as fast as I need to go, not realizing that I'm shining a light on the darkness in other people's lives, not realizing that I was a beacon of hope. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've known it to a certain extent. I've helped people in my life, but that really makes you think, where in your life have you been shining a beacon of hope that you didn't even know? You thinking that you're not really doing nothing. You thinking that you failing. You thinking that you procrastinating. You thinking that you're stuck. But really, your actual presence is elevating and levitating the situation. Shout out to whoever's on this. And that's so powerful when you really take the time to decide, you know what, I'm no longer going to look at this as me being stuck in a situation, but me being planted in a foundation. I'm going to use this as a point, as a pivot, somewhere that's going to take me and the people around me to another level. So let's go back to the stress thing, because we have a lot of people that's going, working, but you're not taking the time to sit back and relax. And then on the flip side, you got people that's relaxing at any given time, no matter what What time you talk to them, all they doing is chilling, all they doing is relaxing. And let me just tell you, relaxing all the time, it can get stressful as well, because then you actually are procrastinating. You actually are not doing what you need to be doing because you know you can do it, fam. Like, we know what we're supposed to be doing. And we just, or should I say, we used to just talk ourselves out of just making it happen. Like, I should have been going live a long time ago, fam, but I'm just, oh, website's not ready. Oh, we don't have the book done. Oh, we don't have the membership site, the academy ready. It's like, who really cares about that? The people that rock with you, they're going to rock with you regardless. They're going to rock with you when you're at your absolute lowest. Those are the people that you want at your peak. So when you sit up here taking the time to put on a facade, put on a mask, basically. Oh, I need to make this look a certain way so I can present myself in a certain position. That's unnecessary stress when you really could just step up bare. We came into this world naked. You know what I'm saying? You step up in front of the people that love you, and the people that love you will love you. The people that hate, they're gonna hate regardless. They may pretend they love you. They may pretend they love the fake you, the version of you that you're trying to create. But that ain't fucking you though. That is a creation of you. That is a character that you used to portray. Do you understand? So let me just ask you one more time. What do you want to allow? What have you used to allow you? What have you been allowing to stress you out? Because really, you could just stop right now, take a deep breath, close your eyes, and really just understand. Look, there's power within you. There's something great within you. There's passion within you. There's a drive within you. There's a fire within you. And it's stirring. It wants to be unleashed. But when you keep adding barriers and blockages, you're just smothering the flame. And you know what happens when you smother the flame, right? It goes out. So I just want to come over here real quick, let you know, look, whatever you allowing to stress you out, all that's doing is distinguishing the flame. You need to just go ahead and let that go. Go ahead and just flow. Go ahead and continue to move forward. Fell forward fast. Or like my boy Ricky Bobby said, fell flamboyantly. Feel as big as possible. Because at least you've done something. At least you've moved forward. At least you've made a decision. At least you've taken one step. Because if you stay in the same place, you're either growing or you're dying. You can't stay the same. You can either grow and continue to be a better person, or a better artist, parent, fucking teacher, leader, coach, whatever you do. You can continue to do that, and you can continue to learn about that. You can continue to embody that. You can continue to embrace that. Or you can just say, oh no, I'm not ready yet. Oh, I need everything to be perfect. Oh, I need to put on a facade. I need to fake it till I make it. Like, fake it till you make it will only get you so far, because it's never rooted in the core or the foundation of who you are. You should I'd rather you faith it till you make it. I forgot who I heard that from, but faith is what it says, the absence of things. I forgot the whole quote, but it was something about the proof of things unseen. Oh, there we go. The absence of things hoped for and of things unseen. Something like that. I believe it's in the Bible. You know, we got a lot of religious people that say they read the Bible, but they don't understand that there's powerful words in there. There's powerful principles that you can live by in any holy book. There's powerful places that you can go in your mind. Like, if you look at where you're at and think that's where you're going to be forever, then you're done. You might as well not even try. And you already know, if you fuck with me, you know we don't try, because trying is lying. We just do things. If I tried to go live, I would not be live right now. If you tried to listen, you wouldn't hear. If you tried to breathe, you would die. So let your light shine, fam. Stress does not look good on you, but you know what does? Happiness, faith, passion, pursuance, just going for everything that you want, growing for everything that you want. That's what looks good on you, because that's what you truly are. Shout out to the universe. Expect wealth now and later.